Hi, I'm Rich with insideHPC. We're here at SC12 in Salt Lake City, and I'm here with Glen Otero from Dell Computer. Glen, we're here to talk about something kind of outside what I would consider HPC, but not so much maybe. You have a BOF tomorrow about personalized medicine. How does that fit in HPC?
That's a good question. So we really look at our HPC team as being part of our bigger research computing space, right? So for a long time, bioinformatics and genomics has essentially been considered high throughput computing, not necessarily HPC. But we like to broaden the essentially our reach and say that we really do research computing. So what the BOF tomorrow is about bioinformatics and genomics and a lot of the code optimizations that we've done with some of the codes in that space. And we'll also be featuring a couple of our customers, the Virginia Bioinformatics Institute and TGen, which we're working on a pediatric cancer clinical trial with TGen.
So when I think about personalized medicine, I think about going in to a doctor and getting my DNA, and he can see all the particular ailments that I might be susceptible to. Is that what personalized medicine is about?
That's exactly what it's about. So it won't be too many years from now where, for example, you will have your genome sequenced going into a doctor's office. Right now, though, what's happening, for example, in this cancer trial with TGen, children with neuroblastoma type of brain cancer are having their tumors sequenced by a sequencing instrument, and then we take those RNA sequences, analyze them, look for what's causing the brain cancer essentially, and then we target drugs based on that specific tumor genetics. So each child's tumor is different, and the medicine that they get is different, and they respond much better.
So in terms of hardware and computational challenge, I mean, how big of a leap is it to get that done in a reasonable amount of time for a reasonable cost?
So it can actually be done in a short period of time. So when we started working with TGen last year, their clinical research pipeline was typically taking 7 days to do an analysis of a child's tumor. And through collaborating with them this year, we've shortened that time span down to 1 hour. So from 5 days to 1 hour, we can actually do the analysis of a genetic tumor on a cluster.
So kind of a wrap up here, we were here talking about science. Scientists are on this floor, they get together for supercomputing. It's very important, but they're kind of under stress now. It's hard to get the travel with the budget cuts and everything. How important is a BOF like this, and what happens there that's so critical to move forward?
Yeah, our BOF is different in that what we've really done and designed it to do is to actually try to create a community that can help us optimize these applications, right? So Intel and Dell collaborated along with TGen to optimize one of the workhorse applications for personal medicine, which is Bowtie, a DNA and aligner. What we're doing is we're going to contribute that code back to the community, but we're also trying to create basically a platform, a collaborative infrastructure, so we can invite others who are here to work with us after we leave Salt Lake.
Well, Glen, I'm hoping that you can help us all live longer. Is that kind of the goal, or what would you come away with and be able to check this off as a success?
I think it'll be a success if we have just a handful of people interested in optimizing the applications, so we can speed up all the essentially clinical trials and all the other types of personal genomics. Another success would be essentially working with TAC, also with the new Stampede cluster. We want to take these applications and work with them on the accelerators because we think we can even shorten those pipelines to minutes instead of hours.
And that must make